Hey, it's Charles Phoenix. I am so proud to represent this absolutely beautiful Survivor Class 1960 Buick LeSabre two-door hardtop for sale. Rare is the day that a 1960 Buick two-door hardtop comes up for sale that is this nice. This car is absolutely beautifully preserved. And it's pretty clear this car has been babied its entire life. Inside and out, it shows. And extra points for metallic two-tone paint, beautiful chrome and trim, and a spectacular original interior. This has to be the absolute most beautiful 1960 Buick LeSabre I have ever seen. Let's start with those flared front fenders. Have you ever? No, because no other car has fenders flared like this. There they are, fins on the front of the car. Beautiful triple crest there, right in the middle of the beautiful grille. Let's take a good look at the side of this car in silhouette. Absolute classic in every way, every day. There it says it LeSabre. Right there for your pleasure and mine. And how about those Electra 225 optional wheel covers? Beautiful. I love even the portholes have gone space age on this car. The windshield glass on this car is absolutely beautiful. It's tinted glass, factory tinted glass. The chrome on this car is amazing. The pot metal, this mirror gives you an indication. It's a close-up. You can see the quality. Incredible. So rare to find it like this. And now we get to talk about the rear end of this car. Look at that two-toning. Those fins, those taillights look like they are brand new. This car is beautifully detailed. And the history of this car is documented. It's from Braley and Graham in Portland, Oregon. The original owner of this car is 95 years old now, and he just recalled the car in a recent phone conversation. LeSabre says it again for your pleasure. And we love the triple shield, the Buick logo of 1960. Again, that two-tone, this kind of coffee and cocoa and cream colorization of this car. Look at those fins. Oh, I just had to. I couldn't resist. Yeah, we love these taillights. Afterburners, space-age spellbinders at the absolute highest order. That divided rear bumper. Okay, that back glass again. That roof line, and this interior is so well preserved. By the way, this dash is by far the most fashion-forward and extreme dash of any 1960 General Motors car. I love the coffee and cream interior. Really a standout. These door panels look like they are brand new. Yes, this car is so well preserved. And how about that stamp in the door reminding you of what kind of car you're driving? You like pedals? Fine, here are the pedals. I like pedals, I bet you do too. Yeah, the instrument cluster is really, really, really out of this world. Here's some details of it. It really is well preserved, really looks like brand new, as does the entire dash. It's just a miracle. This car is so well preserved. That steering wheel does not have a crackle in it. And again, Buick, branding, triple crest. The adjustable mirrored speedometer, I mean, out of this world. This car is from the outer limits, absolutely, in every way. Here is the underbelly of the dash. I love the toggle switches. As I said, it's the most extreme dash of any 1960 General Motors car. Really one of the most spectacular dashes of any car of all time. Yes, the radio is Sonoramic. I love the clock delete that says Buick. And again, a gentle reminder, look at this interior. This is the original interior. It had to be under plastic. It's so beautifully preserved. Again, the other door panel as well. Beautifully preserved, as is the headliner. Look at that plastic chrome right there. Again, I just had to. I couldn't resist showing you this. One of my favorite features of the car. I have to say, ladies and gentlemen, this car is a rare opportunity. We might as well just get it out in the open. This 1960 Buick LeSabre is more than a classic car, more than a mid-century modern masterpiece. This 1960 Buick LeSabre is a world-class national treasure. Behold the glory and enjoy the joyride. And it drives as nice as it looks. Go to charlesphoenix.com for price, photos, information, and more video.